Hi, we're Team 9, and we're going to give you a brief introduction of our application, the National Highway Fatality Analysis Reporting System. We want to take an active role in order to help the potential users such as government officials, police, and others to understand the trends of car accidents that are occurring across the nation. Our application is split into three main sections. The first is the EMS system. This EMS system is a search engine that enables the user to find the 5 nearest hospitals based on longitude and latitude to the accident site. The second is data entry, which allows the users to update new information into the existing database that is used to generate the visualization. The third tool is the visualization tool. This tool takes statistics from 2010 to 2014 and has three dynamic reports: general accident information, driver protection information, and information based on accidents with young drivers. To begin with, we will first take you through the EMS system. This optimizes the 5 nearest hospitals around the accident site. First, click on the button indicating EMS system. Type in your latitude and longitude and then click search. Here is the results page showing you the 5 closest hospitals to the accident site. When you would like to go back, just simply click the back button to take you to the main dashboard. Second, we will take you through data entry, which allows you to input the information to a new crash. From the main page, click the Input Data button. This will take you to another page where you can put in the information about a new crash. The data input will take many attributes, including basic information about the crash, the time and location of the accident, different accident details such as light condition and weather, EMS time of arrival at the scene, and if it included fatalities or a drunk driver. When you click Submit, there is a message that pops up stating that the data has been successfully added to the main set of accident data. Again, to go back to the main dashboard, simply select the back button. Lastly, we have set up a visualization tool to help the user understand the historical and current trends of accidents from various parameters. If you click the General Accident Information button, it will take you to a main dashboard that summarizes the data that has been provided. It gives you very broad information, very broad perspective. Oh. It gives you a very broad perspective, number of crashes per state to something more granular, like number of accidents with drunk driver by hour and month in selected state. This general accident information tab consists of dynamic and static charts, allowing the user to compare and contrast between various dimensions. If you click the back button on the top of the screen, it will take you back to the main page. Here are two other tabs: occupant protection information and young driver information, that delve into other current trends that may be important to the user. Fatalities and occupant protection information focuses on the safety level of individuals in fatal car accidents. First, you will see a graph that refers to occupants killed by age and sex in the selected state. This can be compared to national numbers on the left-hand side. On the far right, there is a map indicating the percentage of unrestrained occupants in a fatal car accident. If you hover your mouse over this state, you will see the percentage of unrestrained occupants in each state. The rest of the graphs below break down the unrestrained and restrained fatalities using different dimensions, including gender and seating positions. Again, clicking back will take you to the main page. Last, if you click the Young Driver Information tab, there are a set of graphs that include information about young drivers that have been involved in fatal accidents. Again, there are dynamic and static graphs that help the user understand the effective age on fatal car accidents. This includes time series graphs such as young driver involved in fatal crashes by gender, a rater chart including the drivers involved in fatal crashes by age group. For instance, in this particular chart, single vehicle fatalities constitute more than 20% and is higher than single vehicle fatality ages of 45 to 54. The next set of graphs breaks down the age group that has the highest amount of fatality crashes, which is ages 15 to 20. A user can look at these static graphs as reference. Again, hitting the back button will take you to the main page. As you can see, our application is intended to help the user make critical decisions in order to help prevent more fatal accidents in various areas. Thank you for watching.